Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. And so today I will be unboxing this box. So let's see. I'm trying not to scratch anything inside or damage it. Here we go. So here we go. These are the Rubik's cubes that's in this box. I've got a Megaminx and all these different stuff. So there you go. We've got this standard colorful colors. And so let's open this up and let's see the Rubik's cubes. Oh, I need to cut these. Cut the tape. Wow. Oh, it's like a tutorial. That's nice. I will be needing this. Yeah, that's good. So, let's look at the 2x2 first. This is it. The 2x2. So, let's open it and see the 2x2. Also some guide. So this is a 2x2. There's like a sticker. Yeah. It's nice. Turn is good. Let's see. The corner cut. Well, yeah, I'd say that's good. Yeah, I like this one. So we've got the classic color. Now let's move on to another one. I'll just put this here. That. So next we have a 2x2, but this is not just a normal 2x2. This is a mirror. So let's see. Oh. That feels nice. It shape shifts as well. It's really shiny. Oh, this might be hard to solve. So that's the 2x2 mirror 2x2. Put that aside as well, right there. Next we have a Skewb cube right here. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. This is the Skewb cube. Also a guide in that one. So, oh, that's weird. I can't even turn it. I don't know how it turns. Can you no? I guess you have to do full turns like that. No, wait. Oh god. This is really weird. What? I think you have to do full turns like this. And then, wait, no, that's like this, yeah. So, full turns like this, so it's a cube again, and then you turn it again, so it's a cube again. Oh man, let's put that back. So that's the Skewb cube. Let's put that there. So next we have a 3x3 mirror cube. The same thing as this one, just the 3x3 version. So here it is. There's different kinds. Let's open it up. There's also a guide in this one, like this. Here we go. And this is a 3x3 mirror cube. It shape shifts. I like this one. Yeah, I like this. Let me go back before I lose it. So that's the 3x3 mirror cube. So next we have this cube, which to be honest, I'm not sure what the name is, but I believe it's the Fisher cube. Let's see. This one's a really weird one. Like that. So it turns like that. Also like this. So you could turn it like that as well. Then you could turn it like this, which is weird. I don't know how I'm gonna solve this, but I'll do it. So there we go. That's the Fisher cube. So next we have this Ivy cube. So there we go. Let's open it up. Well, here it is. It turns like this. I can't even turn it. Yeah, stickers on it as well. So like that, like that. You could like shuffle it. Not really shuffling actually. What is it? Like mixing it, I guess. This was the Ivy cube. Let's put that aside. Next, we have this classic 3x3 cube. I'm not sure if it's a speed cube, but we're gonna have to find out. Is this unsatisfying? Here we go. Also has a guide. So 3x3. Wow. Let's see, corner cutting. Oh, that's really good. Oh, wow. It's really smooth. Why isn't it on? Okay. Let's see, reverse corner cutting. Yeah, that's quite good. I like this one. So that's the 3x3. we have a 4x4 cube right here. Let's see how it is. A guide for it. So this is the 4x4. Let's see the corner cutting of it. Not too good, but it's okay. So this is the 4x4. So next we have a 5x5 right here. Oh, let me show you. Just like that. This one also has a guide. Oh, that's weird. Okay. So this is how it looks. Well, that was a 5x5. Here's the logo. So let's put that here. Next we have this. Apparently it's called a football fidget cube, but it's not a cube. Let's see how it is. Oh wait, let me show you. So this is it. It does not have a guide. For some reason it's shuffled. It's like, it works like this. So you push it through like that. See, we got red on red. Okay. Like that. That's hard. It's like, I think there's a sponge in there. So this is basically how it works. That's the football cube. Football fidget cube, actually. So next we have this cube right here, which is a Pyraminx. Let's open it up. This one also has a guide. I'm gonna need those guides. So this is how it turns. And then you can do that. So you can like do it like that. So now it's like kind of messed up. So it's the same logo. So this is the Pyraminx. And the last one, the last cube, which isn't a cube, is this one, which is a Megaminx. Let's open it up. Ooh. That's how it spins, how it turns. So the colors are like this. Nice colors. Gray. I've never seen a gray. So that's the Megaminx. We got 2 mirror cubes, 2x2 and a 3x3. We've got a 2x2, a 3x3, a 4x4, 5x5. We've got a Skewb cube, a Skewb like this. Then we've got an Ivy cube, which is actually really smooth, I just noticed. It turns really nice. Then we've got a football fidget cube. So see, this one doesn't have like circles. That's the one that needs to be empty like this, but these need to like match the color on the outside. Like this one, red and red. But this one doesn't match, so this one, it's unsolved, but this one's solved. And this one doesn't have any color because that's empty. So this is the football fidget cube. Next we've got a Pyraminx right here. And a Megaminx. I really like these. You could turn both at once in this one. Okay, maybe not. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!